Okay, so now that we have this graph here, we really want to be able to do a little bit more with it so we can get some information from it. So what we'll do, once again, click on the data points there, one of the data points, right click. This time we go to add trend line. Okay, now it puts in a line for us that is a linear relationship. So for the moment, just leave it at that. That's what we're going to be using for the for the most part here. So we'll leave it at linear relationship. And then if you look down the bottom, there's two other boxes that I want you to tick. Okay, the first one is going to be display equation on chart, and you're going to see here, it actually displays an equation in the format of y equals mx plus b, or whatever it is that you guys use now. But you'll notice here that 3.5036 is going to be the gradient that we have there. That tells us that every the rise over run here is 3.5036 if it uses this line. The other radio button I want you to tick is the R squared one there. What the R squared is, it's a measure of how well your data points match the line. So in this case here, it's got a 96% match, which is, it's decent. It's pretty good. Okay, so that's the trend line that we have. Notice here that it kind of crosses the x-axis here. Look, if you really wanted to, you can set the intercept to 0, 0. You know what? It maybe gives us a little bit of a better R squared value there, or maybe we'll leave it there. It's up to you. Okay, so changes the gradient there to 2.9. We also want to be able to forecast about, if we want to go a little bit further out. So we're going to add a little bit of forecasting here. So let's say we want to go forward, let's say 2 periods. Okay, so it takes us here so that we can now use this to make predictions of round about where we expect the data point to go with about a 98% accuracy. Okay, so that's the trend line that we have. And yeah, essentially that's what you need to do to be able to create a graph in Excel. So thank you very much. In the next video, I'm going to be looking at making another graph. This time we're going to be looking at the velocity time graph. Okay, thank you very much, guys.